Well, today's project is going to be working on this garage. It happens to be behind the laundromat. And the problem is, see my truck? See that rack? See the garage door? It's kind of unraised. The guys that built this built it with a 7-foot door. Why in the hell would you build it with a 7-foot door? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install a garage door on the gable end here, and I'm going to split the building in half and rent out each half. Because right here we have a pavement, then on the other side of this fence is an alleyway. So basically people can pull right on out and leave. So that's today's project. So if you want to see me install a garage door, stick around. Hear that? That's the sound of money. You wanna know what the sound of money is? That's it. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, 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 ching. So the door I got is basically 8 foot tall and it's 9 foot wide. You'd call it a 9x8. And it's gonna go right here on this wall. And that beam there is the center of this area. Get you back here. If you don't remember, this is from one of my videos. This is the garage that came with the laundromat. And I'll give you a little bit of a view of it. It's kind of like a big junk room right now. There's my truck, and there's the door I don't like. So the plan is we're going to put a wall down this, and then on this side we're going to rent that out. We're either going to rent it as one big unit, which would be 19 by 19, or no, it'd be 19 by 38, and then take this 19 by 38 and keep it for myself to store my own stuff. So the door's going to be on that far wall there. So we need to do a little bit of demo. That box table they put there, I got to cut that, and then I got to take out those hangers up there, and I take out those shelves. Let's get started.
Christmas miracle. Christmas miracle.
I know a lot of you are gonna be like, why is he framing around the inside, putting flat? I'll show you what I'm doing. This is the jamb of the new door, and I'm mounting this 2x6 on the face of it. And I will actually do that all the way around. I'll put a piece across the header and one down the other side. What's for is, when I go to mount the track for the door, I have a nice flat surface all the way, a nice wide surface to mount it to. And when somebody comes in here to finish this off, like say this wall actually continued on, you could butt your drywall, you could butt your pole barn metal up to this real clean. You don't have to sit there and go, oh, we got this channel, and then you can see the wood behind the metal track. So it's just a trick I learned from a carpenter. Then all we do is we just give it a little extra aluminum flashing, and then you have your weather strip. It's the details that can make things look really sharp. And this little trick is actually in my garage at home, and the drywall butts up to it, nice and clean. I like how it works, but it gives you a good surface so you have plenty of places to anchor all the door parts to, and it cleans it up. So that's what I'm doing. Now what I gotta do is put a piece on this side and then go across the header. Now we gotta establish some ground rules. I know what you're thinking. You're like, Keenan didn't put anything up in here. No spacers, no 2x4s, no nothing. We gotta establish some ground rules on this channel. Don't doubt me. I'm working on it. Now we can put the face covering up. Honestly, I did actually forget them until I looked up and I said, well, I better get that covered quick. Let's see if I can follow doing this idea, huh? Now, the nice thing is the 2x6s on the ends kind of make like ledgers, so I can set them up there. See what I'm talking about? That's what it looks like. Give you an idea. That's the opening. There's where the door, that's the bottom panel of the door. Now what we're going to do, what I'm going to do is install this door all the way up. Then I'll come in, open up the door, and I'll take a hacksaw and I'll actually take this siding off out there where I know it's at. And I'll actually cut this plywood right on this edge and then we'll wrap it. I'll wait to take that plywood off last, because that way, say tomorrow I run out of screws or something happens, I don't have to worry about people getting in here or having to race to get this done. But honestly, I think it turned out pretty good. That's what it looks like. Well, that's all I got for today, folks. Thanks for watching. Take it easy. Be safe. Hope you're doing well. Till next time. See you later.